What is up guys, Chadwick here, and this is a very special pack opening guys, cause this is the final pack opening of FIFA 15 Mobile guys. And for those of you guys who know, FIFA 16 is coming up guys, about 4 to 3 days away guys, so you look forward to those videos guys. I'm very excited about it, so anyways, without further ado, let's get in. First pack, come on. Okay guys, I'm gonna skip this back. Come on, something good. Inform Turan guys. That's a good pull guys. Oh my god. Inform Turan. Wow, that's a good pull. Not bad. Just gonna save all in club. That was a good first pack guys. Inform in the first pack. Alright, second pack. Guys, skip pack is really OP guys. You should try it sometimes. Come on, second pack. Gonna skip this as well. Skip. Not bad. We got a lot of goalkeepers though. Van Persie, not bad. That's a good pull as well. Just gonna save that. Third pack, come on. I would really love to pack Cristiano Ronaldo or Messi guys before it ends guys. Take a nice screenshot. Skip. You got David Luiz, not bad, not bad. Not bad. We got Juan Mata as well. That's not a bad pack guys. Let's go for our fourth pack. I think that's our fourth pack. Come on, who can we get? Who can we get? Come on, give me that Ronaldo. I know you want to give me that Ronaldo. Yeah. And skip. Come on, come on. Okay, Yaya Toure, that's not bad. Yaya Toure guys. Transfer Mandzukic. That's not a bad pull guys. That's definitely not a bad pull. Let's go for fifth pack now guys. I'm gonna let this one play through guys. Just gonna let this one play through. I'm not gonna look guys, I'm gonna close my eyes. My eyes is closed right now guys. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Suarez! Suarez guys! Oh my god, that was a good pull. Suarez guys! Oh my god! That was an awesome pull guys. Oh my god guys, Suarez! That was extremely good guys. Oh my god. Okay, sixth pack I think. Come on, come on. Can we get something good again? Can we get something good guys? Please guys, come on. Come on EA gods, give me something good. Skip. Come on. Mascherano was that bad. For a second there I thought that was Messi guys. No joke. Let's just save all in club. Quick sell. We have about 4 more packs guys. Come on. Come on, come on. Gonna let this one play through. I'm not gonna look. Seems like the no look pack works for the last time when we got Suarez. So let's do it again. Come on. Yeah, it's opening. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it didn't work this time guys. Anyways, that was some good players we got at first. Let's quick sell this as well. We got 3 more packs remaining guys. I'm gonna skip this one. We got Boateng. Not bad. We got transferred to Barbo as well. Last 2 pack, guys. Last 2 packs. Come on. Skip. Come on, EA. Ah, bad pack. We got Sanchez though, not bad. Gonna save this in club. Okay, guys, this is our final pack, guys. I'm just gonna let this play through, and I'm gonna, guys. Just gonna let this play through. Come on, EA. Final pack, guys. Come on. We got transferred Vidal. That's not bad. For a second there, I thought it was Boateng again. That's not bad. Transferred Benteke as well. So anyways, that's gonna be it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Smash the like button if you did. And if you're new to the channel, please drop a sub as well, guys. I really need the support. And that's it for today, and see ya.